The nighttime power of chia seeds. Boost sleep, digestion, and fat loss. What if I told you that while you're sleeping, your body is running a full-scale maintenance operation, repairing cells, burning fat, and even detoxifying? And what if just one simple ingredient before bed could supercharge this process? A groundbreaking 2024 discovery has revealed that chia seeds can enhance these nighttime functions, leading to deeper sleep, better digestion, and even fat loss. But how does it work? And when should you take them? Stick around, because this tiny seed holds massive power. Sleep isn't just rest. It's an active state where your body does some of its most important work. Think of it like a city at night, where cleanup crews, repair workers, and delivery trucks are busy making everything run smoothly for the next day. Your brain clears out toxins, your metabolism burns through stored fat, and your gut absorbs vital nutrients. But these processes need the right support. Otherwise, they get disrupted, leading to poor sleep, bloating, and weight gain. This is where chia seeds come in. Researchers have found that consuming chia seeds 1 to 2 hours before bed provides 3 major benefits. Blood sugar stability. Blood sugar spikes at night can lead to restless sleep and frequent wake-ups. But chia seeds slow down carbohydrate digestion, keeping your glucose levels stable for uninterrupted rest. Melatonin and hydration boost. Chia seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that supports melatonin production, your body's natural sleep hormone. Plus, they absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, keeping you hydrated through the night. Fat burning and inflammation control. One surprising discovery? Chia seeds promote mitochondrial uncoupling, which speeds up fat burning while you sleep. They also contain omega-3s and antioxidants that fight inflammation, reducing morning bloating and stiffness. The nighttime power of chia seeds. Boost sleep, digestion, and fat loss. So how should you take chia seeds before bed? Here are 3 easy options. Chia water. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes and drink before bed. Chia pudding. Combine chia seeds with almond milk, cinnamon, and a natural sweetener. Let it soak for at least an hour. Chia smoothie. Blend chia seeds with Greek yogurt, banana, and a touch of honey for a delicious nighttime treat. Want to wake up feeling lighter, more energized, and well-rested? Try adding chia seeds to your nighttime routine. Start with just a tablespoon and experiment with different preparations to see what works best for you. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful health secrets. For more science-backed wellness tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Sweet dreams and better health start tonight.